In Lower Westchester, we are the only full-service 24/7 emergency and specialty hospital.
There's a lot of general practitioners in this area, and a lot of them don't have on-site CT, on-site MRI. We have all of that on-site capabilities that we can do, especially in an emergent patient that comes in.
We recently upgraded our MRI due to the need for more specialized care.
We needed something that had the most up-to-date programming capabilities, and it's very fast. And so our patients need general anesthesia for an MRI, and something that's fast and efficient is absolutely necessary.
It's a reconditioned unit. However, it works like it's brand new.
To be completely honest, there's not much of a difference with this reconditioned machine. Compared to our older MRI, this image quality is vastly improved. The resolution of this particular GE MRI has given us great quality for our patients.
Interacting with Browns has been pretty amazing. The level of training that they provide is unlimited service. We are able to schedule multiple trainings with multiple people in our hospital to make sure that all of our staff know how to use the machine. Anytime I've ever ran into an issue and I've called our training supervisor, she has picked up the phone and even FaceTimed with me to get through the problem we were having while we had a patient under anesthesia.
They were so easy to schedule things, they were very easygoing. They were really, really wonderful to work with.